Hi guys, we have here the Chantal Classic Series Classic Stainless Loop Kettle. Want to give you guys a quick 360 look at the product, quick unboxing. But this is what the box looks like on the outside. You can see the description as well. So let's go ahead and open this up, give you guys a quick look at the product here. So this is what it comes like. Limited warranty, so forth. Comes nicely sealed. Go ahead and open up the box here, give you guys a quick look at the kettle. There you have the kettle itself. You also have the instructions, use and care as well. Comes with the kettle. So let's go ahead and move this aside. Give you guys a look at the kettle itself. So there is the kettle. That's what it looks like. Remove the plastic here. Look at that. Go ahead and remove the plastic from the kettle. So that's how it comes like. That's the bottom of the kettle. Here's a 360 look at the kettle. So it's a nice looking kettle at a great price. So if you're looking to purchase this, you can visit the link in the video. So I just give you guys a quick 360 view of the product for those who are interested in purchasing the Chantal Loop Kettle Stainless Titanium. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.